Mas Joseph Burgos.
Sure.
Good morning, Mayor. Mayor, ang reaction na lang po doon sa panawagan sa inyo ng militanteng grupo na nag-rally sa MPD na palayain po daw yung mga inaresto. Kapag hindi raw pinalaya, ay mas malawak ang paglabag sa lansangan ng kanilang gagawin. Ano po yung reaction?
Anong basis of release? If there is a basis for release, okay lang. Are they guilty of destroying public property, threat to the citizen? It's up for the judge. Are they suspect? Yes, they are considered suspect. 192 of them. Were they arraigned? Yes, they were arraigned. Then, karapatan naman nilang kumuha ng abogado. Now, if I'm not mistaken, those 14 years old below is now under or being submitted to the custody of DSWD. Wala naman akong kapangyarihan na magpalaya ng tao ng suspect. Even the president of this country, wala kaming kapangyarihan. Palayain yan, palabasin yan. Pagka meron namang citizen na marunong-runong, ano naman ang kasong kakarapin ko? Kaya, ang leksyon, tatanda naman na yung iba na yun, ang leksyon talaga, maging responsable ka sa sarili. So, tulungan na lang nila. I encourage them to help the family to defend those suspects. 192 of them.
Yes. Mayor, si Grand Hilary po from Bomboradio.
Sure.
Last step po ay nabanggit niyo po na mayroong ex-politician and Filipino Chambers Funder yung last likod na possible na last likod.
These are possibilities based on raw and sketchy report.
Your pwede bang malaman namin ngayon mas malinaw or confirmation po siya
Malalaman din niya siguro kung meron talagang katotohanan yan o wala. Dahil kung makikita nyo yung interview ko kay Karen Davila yesterday, that particular cases will be charged to those suspect. Tapos nakita mo sa baba, nung binabanggit ko, the word to be determined. Ibig sabihin, there is an ongoing investigation and how far it can go. As of the moment, they are person of interest as instigator and can be charged of sedition. Kasi may isa pang babae doon sa Ayala Bridge. Ngayon na kasi lumalabas yung mga video eh. Binibigyan niya ng direktiba para sunugin yung truck. Maraming ginagawa pa. Kino-compile pa yung mga videos and datas. But, well, we'll see. Natin. Total, I think nagbigay na ng direktiba si Secretary Remulla ng DILG to further investigate. But for now, one at a time. Those who committed rumble and riot that caused damage to public property and private property and serious physical injury. Ayun. Second, there is an incident of death, confirmed report. Anong action taken by the city and Manila Police District? Find the suspect. Now, the suspect surrendered voluntarily and here he is. And hopefully later on, yung tanong mo, mahanap natin.
Last na lang.
Sure.
Kulay channel 2.
May alas 11 kasi ako.
Mayor, good morning.
Good morning.
Siguro kung miss ko lang. Pero meron daw tayong initial damage assessment.
Oh, good question. Yesterday, umabot na sa humigit kumulang 10 million pesos ang damage. Sogo, MMDA, City of Manila properties. 10.4 more or less, but more than 10 million. May breakdown na. Now, the challenge is hindi naman kagad mapalitan yung stoplight ng MMDA because it's a unique product. Hindi naman yan available lagi sa Mercury Drug o sa hardware. So it will take time to put back all those. Chairman Artes is doing his very best to change or palitan yung mga nasirang gamit ng MMDA. So more or less about 10 million pesos. It's a good question. Buti na tanong mo.
And very last na lang din, Mayor.
Sure.
Si Sec. John Picrinillo ng BIA, sinabi nung wala talagang nagpuputok. Hindi na Manila Police District, sinasabi na wala rin nagpuputok ng baril sa akin ng pulisan. Pero doon sa video from Soho, may mga kalalaki yung may hawak ng baril. Ano po ba sila? Mga civilian ba sila? Or are they in plain clothes? Paano po ito?
Basta ganito ang rule. I don't know. As far as I remember, the rule sa rally, ang police has to be uniform for proper identification. I don't know if there is a law that requires them that if you are participant in the peace and order situation in a rally, you must be in uniform so that you will be properly identified. So kung civilian, that's kailangan imbestigahan. Kasi bakit? Alam mo, meron din tinatawag sa rally what you call infiltrator. At ang trabaho, agitator. They will infiltrate a peaceful rally for some political beliefs or economic reason. Somebody maybe ordered them. Ito lang ang mga senaryo. We have to open our minds of the possibility. They infiltrate, instigate, agitate the environment and maybe can provide some materials to those individuals. Lalo pa pag nakikita mo madaling utuin. Ang tawag doon starter. Ang tawag namin sa Rumble, starter. Those are possibilities. Now, kung yun ay police o hindi, I really don't know yet. But as a matter of general rule, walang police na makikihalubilo basta-basta sa gitna ng mga rallyista na kakasibilyan. Makukuyog yun. Usually, nasa front line. Divided yung line. But anyway, we'll look into it. And reports will be made naman. And hindi naman tumitigil pa yung MPD ngayon. Kaka-review. May isa pa kang tinitingnan namin yung sino yun? Supapply? Sino ba yun? Instigator? Hindi na pagkikita ngayon Pero maraming mga insidente na hinikayat niya yung mga bata. Kawawa naman yung mga bata. Kita niyo yung mga magulang. Nag-iiyakan. Dahil yung mga magulang ngayon, ang hapdi ng puso. Napuyat. Nag-aalala. Dahil lang dito sa mga, alam mo, okay naman akong geng-geng. Gusto nyo, 2 joints tayo. Walang problema. 2 joints. Chill-chill ka lang. Okay lang. Self-expression. Showing your talent. I don't mind. Pero to agitate and create chaos as an influencer, that guy Supaply can be held liable also. And I told sa Monte, sabi, paimbestigahan nyo nga yan. Kasi may mga video yan na parang nag-agitate siya ng mga bata. Como siya, sikat na influencer, nagamit niya in a bad way. Ito, kita nyo mga nahuli namin, di ba? Tagig. Ano yun naman, napansin nyo Mandaluyong, Parañaque. Kawawa yung mga bata. I think ikaw yung nag-interview sa mga magulang. You were there, no? Sa MPD. You see, nakita mo yung pag-aalala ng magulang? Yung hinagpis ng magulang? Sana nanonood yung mga kabataan. Is it worth it na pahapdiin natin ang puso ng nanay natin at tatay natin? Is it worth it? Kita ninyo, nung nasa Hoyo, yung mga bata ngayon, bumisita ba yung, sino yun? Supaply? Binisita ba sila ng barkada nila, ng kaibigan nila? Sino nag-aalala sa labas ng kulungan? Magulang. Kaya mga bata, ang magulang nyo, walang masamang iisipin para sa inyo. Makinig kayo. Kaya, yun lang ang panawagan ko. Huwag tayo magpadalos-dalos. Kasi, sayang ang buhay, sayang ang kinabukasan. Makinig kayo sa magulang nyo. Mahalin nyo't maswerte nga kayo. Meron pa kayong magulang. May mga taong ulila na. Mahalin nyo, nanay nyo. I've seen your interview. I really feel bad as a parent. I really feel bad as a parent. But again, we need to do what we have to do to protect the interests of the general population.
Dito na tayo tapos na. Pasensya na. Thank you guys.
Sorry, paparating na si Ambassador. Muli, maraming salamat. Congratulations sa MPD for resolving this case. Thank you.